What's up, guys? I'm here today at Lowe's. I saw something come in. I got something to show you guys. No, I'm not gonna buy it, but it is new. So that's why I come here to Lowe's today, to show you guys what I found and discovered. And some of y'all might have seen it, but we'll see what happens here. Hang on. Here it is, guys. Kobalt's new, and got a case. Kobalt's new torque wrench. This one here is the half-inch model, and they also have the 3/8 model. Now, guys, I told you before, I'm not big. I hate digital. And there's the price. I don't like digital. I don't care who it is. Digital always has problems. From these here just dying out to getting broke, being miscalibrated, all that other stuff. So there's the 3/8 one. There's the 3/8, and up there's how many pounds, up to a year warranty. This one here's up to 250 pounds. There's your number. Get the focus. Get the focus a little bit. Same way with that one there. So, guys, these here are the Kobalt digital torque wrenches. Like I said, I don't like them. I don't care who they are. I'm not a big fan of digital. I like the old school way of just having a guide tell you where it's at. But these here just showed up here probably about 3 weeks ago. So I saw them a while back, but I didn't have my phone. So I see them today. So I figured I'd film them. So in case you guys want one. Like I said, I don't like digital, and I'm not ever gonna have a digital one. I'm just gonna have the old school one, where you set the bottom of it, lock it, go with it. They also have new test light too, but the one I want the one just got a digital readout on it too. So, guys, these here are the Kobalt 3/8 and half-inch torque wrenches. So until the next time, guys, like, subscribe, share. Don't give me a thumbs down. Until the next time, guys, bye bye.